Hello to you! Curly hair is beautiful. It has volume, it has texture, and it doesn't need much styling in my opinion. But sometimes you want a change or you simply need to put your curls away while you're working or when it's too hot. In this video, I'm showing you very easy hairstyles to change things up for your curly hair. But first, let me introduce your next new best friend. A hair stick. This ancient method is not only way more chic than the elastic hair ties that we put on a daily basis, but it also respects your hair movement, enhances the volume, and everything that makes curly hair beautiful. Adding to that, curly hair having so much texture, the stick holds easier and you don't need to pull too hard. Since I'm using hair sticks, I got rid of the ugly hair ties that you caught me with in some pictures on my blog. It doesn't tear my hair, nor leave an ugly mark, so this is the perfect way to give your hair a break. Once you'll try it, you will never do your buns any other way. Today, I'm partnering with SIA Designs for this video. SIA Designs is an amazing company that makes hair accessories from recycled salvaged wood in Indonesia. And for each purchase, a donation is made to replant trees. This is an ethical business that makes a change, and I love supporting these projects. You can read more in depth about their work in the Our Ethos category on their website. So those are the accessories that I chose from SIA Designs. They come in a beautiful case made from a recyclable material, almost like a jewelry case, and a cotton pouch. First one is the double pendants, the taro, and the Shenang hair fork, opposing rosewood and tamarind. Let's move on to the hair tutorials. First, an everyday high bun using the double pendants. Gather your hair into a high ponytail. Roll your hair into a bun. Take one of the sticks and pull it through the bun at a 45 degrees angle from one side. The trick with hair sticks is that you need to go in and out between your scalp and your hair. It's pretty much secured now, but you can insert the second stick on the other side for more security and style. You can add a headscarf, one of my favorite accessories, and then you're good to go. Second hairstyle, a Bohemian Chic updo with the Shenang hair fork. Braid your hair, the messier the better. Roll it up. And insert the fork. That's it, it's that simple. I will wear that hairstyle for a client meeting, for example, or a dinner at the restaurant. Last hairstyle, a half up, half down using the taro. Take a strand of hair from each side. Insert the stick from the scalp and then pull it over the hair and pull it back on the other direction under the hair strand. That's it. I'm very happy with this partnership. I can't wait to see this brand grow and reinvent the hair stick. I'm sure that it will soon be a staple. There are more tutorials for different hairstyles and hair type on their website. I will link everything down below. You can also follow them on Instagram. They have the most beautiful, organic, minimalist, ethnic chic visuals. I really love their edits. SIA Designs also offer a free worldwide shipping. And while you wait for your order, you can already practice on hairstyles with chopsticks or pennies. As always, don't forget to subscribe. There is much more to come, a lot of videos in the making. Thank you for watching.